In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock all private Telegram channels without a link. Before we start, an important note for clarity and safety. You can't actually unlock or access private Telegram channels without an invite link or approval from the channel's admins. That's by design to protect privacy. What I'll show you today is how to smoothly join a channel using a direct Telegram link, and I'll explain what to expect if a channel is private versus public so you know exactly how this works. First, open Telegram on your device. Once you're in, tap on the three lines in the upper left corner to open the main menu. This is where you can access your profile, saved messages, and all your app settings. Go ahead and tap on Settings, then tap on Chat Settings. While this section doesn't change your ability to join channels, it's useful to know where you can adjust how your chats look and feel. Think of it as getting familiar with the space before we navigate to a channel. Now we're going to use a web link to open a channel from your browser. Go to Chrome. You can use any browser you like, but I'll use Chrome for this demonstration. In the address bar, type www.telegram.me, Bloomberg, and load the page. This is a Telegram link in the t.me telegram.me format that directs you to a specific channel. You'll see a page with an option that says View in Telegram. Tap View in Telegram, and your phone will switch you back to the Telegram app with the channel preview open. Here you can look at basic info like the channel name and description. If it's a public channel, you'll see the option to join. Tap the join button at the bottom to become a member. If you're trying this with a private channel and you don't have a valid invite link, the join button won't appear or you'll see a restricted page. That's normal. Private channels are only accessible with a proper invite. If you do have a valid invite link, the process is the same. Tap View in Telegram, then tap Join. That's it. You've opened Telegram, navigated the menu, used your browser to access a Telegram link, tapped View in Telegram, and joined the channel from within the app. Quick tip, always make sure you trust the link you're opening and that it's the official channel you intended to join. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips and tutorials.